Hello student, today we are going to study History Class 6 Chapter 3 From Gathering to Growing Food. This is the second part of this chapter. Earlier in the previous part or in the first part what we have learned how to grow food, how to varieties of fruit we have to grow. Like in this case what we have learned is like the earlier people used to live in forest and nearby the bank of river, nearby the caves they used to live, and how slowly and gradually they learn how to grow the foods. Earlier they used to live at a particular place for a longer time. Why they used to live at a particular place for a longer time? Because they want to grow a food. Slowly and gradually they used to learn. How they used to learn? First they see this particular seed, like just like wheat, rice or barley, they used to come towards the planet of our earth planet. Now how they used to grow by itself, but slowly and gradually they analyzing all this stuff, and after that what they learn is this is the particular seed which we they could grow. So at the particular place they put the seed, and after the longer time they used to live at a particular place for growing that particular crops. Like it used to take numerous of days, and by this till after germinating the seeds, when the plant or the crop used to grow up, and after the ripen up, after the harvesting time, after using all this stuff they used to shift from one place to another place. Means at a particular place they used to ripe or particularly harvest the crop, and in the another season they used to go in the different places. They used to put that particular seed, then it used to grow, then it ripen up, then harvesting it. Like that, it slowly and gradually they used to do it. Like by this we come to know that all the things they used to learn by their own self. In this case, what we have learned, they used to learn what kind of varieties of food we have. Like only not a man and woman and children all together used to do all the kinds of work. They are not like that, like just we are only doing this or they are only doing this. All the people together, all this thing they are good, they are growing this particular seed. Like we see that there's a wheat, barley, rice, food, vegetable, millets, lentils, black gram, the numerous of crops they use know how to grow it. Now what we have learned is how they used to grow this particular type of food. They used to store this food in you can say in a clay pot, in the wooden, or you can say in the bamboo woven basket, or they used to store their food in the dug up pits. Means they used to dug a pit in their home and they used to store the food over there. And in this case what we have learned is like they used to make a certain tools of stone or bone by which they used to cut this thing. Slowly and gradually, by this, when they start knowing that they have to grow agriculture, then the human settlement started. Like the people used to live nearby the bank of the river, lake, or you can say any other things by which they can get every kind of thing. Like they used to get water, they used to get a food, and the human settlement. For them, the life become very much comfortable. They do not have to go anywhere else, and by that, then the particular season they used to live at a particular place. And one more thing you have to keep this thing in mind. They used to live in a group. They used to move in a group, and at the different places which we have seen in the India map, like what the archaeologists, what the scientists have found, like this people used to do numbers of things at the different places, just like we saw like present day in Pakistan, present day in Afghanistan, and the different places of India, where we get the proof, where we get the evidence, where they used to know how to grow the foods. Like what kind of evidence we get, like the burnt crop or some seeds, or some you can say the pot, or you can some say the woven basket or some pit in which we get different kinds of seeds, from which we come to know that what they are doing or what they are not doing. Yesterday we saw that like these are the people where they are the tribes. Why we used to call them as the tribes? Because they used to live near in the jungle, or you can say in the forest, and they used to do all the kinds of work. Like in the previous part, or you can say in or in the first part of the video, what we have learned that like earlier the people using what kind of animals help them, like domestic animal. First, earlier there was the wild animals, like you can say the ancestor dogs, which we talked about. Later on, it become the domestic animal. Means with like from the humans point of view, they used to put animals also, like which kind of animal they are helping them, like we can say the rearing of the animals, like they used to put a dog, they used to put themselves a cow, they used to put themselves for the traveling purpose. If we're talking about like horse, if we talk about many other animals, they used to put with themselves to do the agriculture, to help them. If we talk about, they used to do the fishing, they used to do numerous of things to the like that the animals used to help them how to do the agriculture. What I'm trying to say is, यानी इसमें ऐसे होता था पहले के टाइम में, जो हंटर गैदरर्स थे वो देखते थे कि कौन से एनिमल्स उनके हेल्प में आएंगे। उन्होंने वाइल्ड लाइफ एनिमल्स पे भी देखा और उन्होंने डोमेस्टिक एनिमल में भी देखा। तो जिस तरह से जिन एनिमल है उन्होंने दोनों चीजें में हेल्प की, यानी उनको प्रोटेक्ट भी कर सके, उनको एग्रीकल्चर में भी काम कर सके, तो सारी चीजें उन्होंने उनकी मदद की। तो ऐसे स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली वी कैन से दैट कि किस तरह से कुछ एनिमल्स ने उनको एग्रीकल्चर में भी हेल्प किया। जैसे कि हम काव का ले सकते हैं, बुल का ले सकते हैं, डॉग्स का ले सकते हैं, जो सिक्योरिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी काम आते हैं, और काफी सारे ऐसे एनिमल्स थे जिन्होंने इनको हेल्प की। अर्लियर जो ये लोग टूल्स यूज करते थे, किसके यूज करते थे, स्टोन के या बोन के, जिससे इनको पता चल सके पर्टिकुलर चीज क्या है, कैसे है और क्यों बन रहा है। तो हमने बहुत सारी चीजें जानी कि पहले के लोग कैसे by slowly and gradually the mind develops and learn a certain ways of thing, like particular they first to do the like simple thing, then slowly and gradually they learn numerous of the things. In the previous video we also have learned that like they used to grow very good amount of rice, or you can say अच्छा खासा जो लोग चावल उगाते हैं वो कहाँ पे, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया। इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न, whether it is Assam, Meghalaya, all this, like present day we're talking about Assam is there, Meghalaya is there, Mizoram is there, Arunachal Pradesh is there, they are growing very good amount or very nice amount of the crops of the rice which we get from there. So there are the numerous of things they learn from this. Now, like many other ways which we have learned that what kind of work they are doing, like scientists or the archaeologists think that maybe they like man used to do the work, maybe male or female used to do the work, or male, female or children all together used to do, that we don't know. We do not have the exact evidence what kind of work they are doing. Like if we talk about, they used to get numerous of things, that a particular woman do all kinds of work, like she used to protect her house, she used to do all the household work, she protects her children, she protects the crop, like she protects the agriculture, not a crop, she protects the agriculture. How, like none of the birds used to come in the field, none of the animals used to come in the field, she used to check each and every plant or each and every, you can say, a crop which is not infected by any of the insects. And there are numerous of ways which she used to do the work. She do the work of like woven basket and numerous of the things. If we talk about the man, yes, they also do the work. They used to consider as the leader, a warrior, and they used to consider as the experienced person. And if we talk about them, they are like a very good human beings as well. For the tribes people, they are having their own culture, their own custom, their own religion. Their god and goddess are different, their languages are different, their dressing sense is different, their lifestyle is totally different, because the people used to live in a jungle and they have different sense of living life. Means जो ये ट्राइब्स होते हैं, ट्राइब्स किसको कहा जाता है, आदिवासी को कहा जाता है, जो कि जंगलों में रहते हैं। इनके भगवान अलग होते हैं, इनकी भाषा अलग होती है, इनके रहन सहन अलग होता है। इनके में जो सबसे पुराना यानी जो एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन होता है उसकी बहुत इज्जत की जाती है, वो उनका लीडर होता है, उनका वॉरियर भी यानी एक योद्धा भी होता है। अगर हम बात लेडीज की करें तो जो लेडीज जो बहुत पुरानी या फिर जो ओल्ड लेडीज होती है उनका भी ये लोग काफी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं और उनकी वो सारी बातें मानते हैं। यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये नहीं कि सिर्फ वुमन ही काम करे, यहाँ पे सभी लोग ऑल टुगेदर ये सब काम करते हैं। अगर एक पर्टिकुलर लेडीज की बात की जाए तो वो घर का भी काम करती है, एग्रीकल्चर को भी देखती है, क्रॉप्स को भी देखती है, सीड्स को भी ये लोग प्रिजर्व करके रखते हैं जिससे वो नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर उसको दोबारा से एग्रीकल्चर वहाँ कर सके। तो इस तरह से किस तरह से, लेकिन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इन एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री, हाउ द पीपल यूज्ड टू कम टू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर वी हैव टू डू एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर वी डू नॉट हैव टू डू, in which season we have to do this particular agriculture, or which year, or you can say in the particular season which do not have to do this particular agriculture. They come to know what kind of like you can say weather they have, they know what kind of seeds they have to grow in the particular season, or what kind of crop they do not have to grow in that particular season. So there are the numerous of ways they learn by their own self how to grow the crops, how to do the agriculture, and how to use of the animals in the agriculture as well as for their purposes. They used to do each and everything for their own selves. So these are the certain ways in which we used to learn in the previous part of this video, that how the people used to grow different types of food and the time or at their time period. So these are the certain things which we have learned. Now in today's chapter, what we have to learn is the first point is of the tribes. Like I already give you the brief view, but we will go into in detail. Then the second one is the closer look of living and dying in the Mehrengard, the earlier and the later levels, and the closure look the Jare heading. This point we are covering today. Now we can start this. Like you can see on your page number 27 downside in the yellow box, there is used to talk about the tribes. What the tribes are: usually 2 or 3 generations live together in a small settlement. Means the people used to live in a particular small area from generation to generation. यहाँ पे मतलब ये है कि पहले के लोग हुआ, पहले जैसे कि मान लो आप हो, आपके फादर और आपके ग्रैंडफादर, यानी जनरेशन टू जनरेशन ये लोग एक ही जगह पे रहते थे, स्मॉल सेटलमेंट में रहते थे, और ये लोग विलेजेस में रहते थे. मोस्ट ऑफ द फैमिलीज आर रिलेटेड टू वन अदर. ज्यादातर ये लोग एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड होते थे. एंड ग्रुप ऑफ सच फैमिलीज फ्रॉम अ टाइप, और यही जो ग्रुप है ये क्या बनाते थे, एक फैमिलीज बनाते थे. यानी जो जितने भी ट्राइब्स है, जितने भी आदिवासी हैं, ये एक अपनी फैमिली बनाती थी. मेंबर्स ऑफ अ ट्राइब फॉलो द ऑक्यूपेशन सच एज हंटिंग एंड गैदरिंग. अब ये जो ट्राइब्स वाले थे, ये लोग क्या करते थे, हंटिंग करते थे, गैदरिंग करते थे, फार्मिंग करते थे, हर्डिंग करते थे, एंड फिशिंग भी करते थे, which I already explained you in the previous part of this video and as well as now also. Now usually women do most of the agriculture work. जनरली वुमन ही मोस्ट ऑफ सारे काम करती थी, विच आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन, लाइक इंक्लूडिंग प्रिपेयरिंग ऑफ द ground, sowing seed, looking after the growing plants, harvesting grain. Children often look after, like not always the children used to look after the agriculture, but often they used to help their parents, like what they have to look after and what they do not have to look after. Just like plants, driving up the animals, birds they might eat up them. Women also thresh the herds and grind the grains. Men usually lead the large herds of the animal in search of pasture. Children often look after the small flocks. The cleaning of animals and milking is done by both the man and the woman. Both the woman and man make the pots, basket tool and huts. They also take the part in singing, dancing and decorating the huts. Now come towards the page number 28. What if the second part of the tribe is some men are regarded as leaders, which I already explained in a brief. The person who is experienced and who is having lots of, you can say, the knowledge about the particular tribe, particular agriculture, they used to consider as an old, young, brave warrior, or you can say the priest. This means the pandit. The women are also respected for the wisdom and the experience. Tribe have rich, unique culture, tradition, including their own language, music, story, painting. They also have their own god and goddess. Means they are having their own rich culture, tradition, including their own food, or you can say their languages, their music, story painting. Like the tribes people are having different, like their musics are different, their languages are different, their clothing sense are different, their stories are different, their paintings are also different. Like what makes the tribe different from many other society, you will be studying about in land, फॉरेस्ट, ग्रासलैंड, वाटर आर रिगार्डेड एज द वेल्थ ऑफ द एंटायर ट्राइब. अब जैसे कि आपको मैं एक एग्जांपल ही देती हूँ इस जगह पर, जैसे कि हमारा जो हम एक पर्टिकुलर अपने घर में देखते हैं तो वही एक हमारा एसेट. एसेट मीन्स हमारी वो एक चीज है, हमारे पास घर है, गाड़ी है, मोबाइल है, कंप्यूटर है, पैसे है, ये सारी चीजें. पर जो ट्राइब पीपल होता है उनका एसेट क्या होता है, जैसे कि उनका होता है वाटर है, लैंड है, फॉरेस्ट है, ग्रासलैंड है, केव्स है, वही उनका एक एंटायर वेल्थ होता है. अब जब व्हेन यू गो इन द हायर क्लासेस तब आप ट्राइब्स के बारे में और डीप में पढ़ोगे कि ट्राइब का एक एसेट यानी उसकी अपनी खुद की चीजें क्या होती हैं. सो ये सारी चीजें अभी आप लोग ब्रीफ में पढ़ो, बट इन द higher classes you will learn the more things. Then if we talk about the everybody shares the use this together, there are no sharp difference between the rich and poor. In the tribes there are no difference between who is rich, who is poor. यानी आदिवासियों में rich और poor में कोई difference नहीं होता है, बट कंपेयर टू आवर सोसाइटी, यस देयर आर द डिफरेंस हु इज रिच एंड हु इज द poor. If we talk about the next topic is the closure look living and dying in Mehergarh. The site is located in fertile plain. Fertile plain means बहुत ही उपजाऊ जमीन है near the Bolan Pass, which is of the most important route into the Iran. ये कहाँ पर है? This place is in the Iran. If you can see the world map, you will see in the Asia continent you will find the Iran, above the India this side part also. And Mehergarh is probably the one of the place where the woman and man learn to grow barley and the wheat. ऐसा माना जाता है कि this Mehergarh is the place where the man and the woman used to learn grow the first what they learn to grow wheat, barley, rear the sheep, गॉड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन दिस एरिया. यानी पर्टिकुलर जो ईरान में ये जो जगह है मेहरगढ़, यहाँ पे ऐसे पाया जाता है कि शायद ईरान में ऐसी पहली जगह थी जहाँ पे इन्होंने व्हीट को ग्रो करना सीखा, बार्ली को ग्रो करना सीखा और शिप को रेयर करना इन्होंने सीखा. देन इट इज द वन ऑफ द अर्लीस्ट विलेज दैट वी नो दैट. ये अर्लीस्ट विलेज इसके बारे में हमें जाना. आर्कोलॉजिस्ट हु एक्सकवेटेड द साइट फाउंड एविडेंस ऑफ मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ एनिमल्स बोन्स फ्रॉम द अर्लियर लेवल. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट जो हैं इन्होंने जो एक्सकेवेटेड मैंने जो इन्होंने लैंड को डगअप किया है, यहाँ से इन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजें निकाली है. दिस इंक्लूड्स द बोन ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल. यहाँ पे उन्होंने उनको वाइल्ड एनिमल का बोन मिला है. देन दे यूज्ड टू गेट द इंक्लूडेड द बोन्स ऑफ वाइल्ड सच एज द डियर एंड पिग. किसके बोन मिले हैं? डियर और पिग के. जो डियर के जो एंसेस्टर्स थे, जो पिग के एंसेस्टर्स थे, उसको हम कहते हैं वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, जो कि उनके बोन्स उनको मिले. एंड इन द स्टिल लेटर लेवल cattle bones are the most common, suggests that was the animal that was generally kept by the people. ये वैसे एनिमल थे जो जनरली पीपल के साथ रखे जाते थे. अर्लियर एंड द लेटर लेवल व्हेन द आर्कोलॉजिस्ट आर डिगिंग एंड एक्सकेवेटेड द साइट. जब आर्कोलॉजिस्ट ने उसको डिग किया, एक्सकेवेट किया, हाउ दे नो व्हाट द लेवल अर्लियर दे विच लेटर. Look at the listed. Suppose people first living in the flat and over the years the surface has gradually rise. यानी पहले लोग फ्लैट में रहते थे और ग्रेजुअली क्या हुआ? राइज हुआ. Because people were discarded the waste material and generally stay and rebuild the house in the same place. पहले क्या करते थे लोग? वो एक ही जगह पे रहते थे. जब उनका हाउस टूट जाता है, कुछ कमी आ जाती थी, तो उस प्लेस को वो अपने घर को तोड़ के उसको दोबारा क्या करते थे? बनवाते थे. आफ्टर द हंड्रेड्स ऑफ दिस लीड टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ मोड. इस तरह से इसको क्या कहा जाता है? मोड कहा जाता है. ये आप देख सकते हो अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में किस तरह से मोड बनाया. जैसे कि 1 2 3 4 लेवल दिया है. यानी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे उनका हाउस था, वो उसको तो फिर से जब वो कुछ उसमें खराबी आ जाती है, फिर कहो टूट जाता था, तो फिर उसको तोड़ते थे, फिर उसी को दोबारा बनाते थे. तो ऐसे वो बहुत सारी चीजें करते थे. एंड सो व्हेन दिस मोड इज डग अप, what found from the upper layer of the mode is generally from the later time. What is found from the layer of the mode which are the older. यानी जो हमें डाउन साइड पे मिलता है वो सबसे पुराना है, और आज के टाइम में जो ऊपर ऊपर बढ़ता है वो क्या है? न्यू है. अगर हम अपने हाउस की बात करें, व्हेन जब कभी भी हमारा हाउस बनता है तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले हम लोग एक बहुत बड़ा सा खुदवाते हैं, यानी डगअप करवाते हैं लैंड को. अराउंड यू कैन टेक 2 5 feet or maybe 10 feet. It depends on us how much big the house we have. तो हम इतना बड़ा गड्ढा खोदवाता है जिससे हमारा जो नींव कहा जाता है वो एक मजबूत हो, यानी जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ जो हाउस का होता है वो क्या एक मजबूत हो. तो जो सबसे नीचे होता है वो क्या होता है? सबसे ओल्डर. फिर उसके ऊपर जो एक बेल्ट आते जाते हैं, दैट इट बिकम अ न्यू. So like which is the downest side, or you can say which is the deepest side, that is considered as old, and which is at the uppermost, that is considered as new. Now in this, other finds of Mehergarh include the remains of square or rectangular houses. यहाँ पे जो excavation मिले, कैसे मिले? स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगुलर हाउसेस के मिले. माने कह सकते हैं जब आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ने, साइंटिस्ट ने जब इस लैंड को डिग किया, तब उनको ऐसे बहुत सारे मोल्ड्स मिले या माउंट्स मिले हैं घर के, जो कि विच आर इन स्क्वायर इन यू कैन से स्ट्रक्चर, मे बी दे आर इन रेक्टेंगल. So each house had 4 or more compartments, some of which may have been for the storage. कुछ जो storage के काम भी आते थे. When the people die, their relatives and friends generally pay respect to them. जब उनके relatives और friends मर जाते थे, उनको क्या करते देते थे? रेस्पेक्ट देते थे. पीपल लुक आफ्टर दैम. परस इन द बिलीफ दैट देयर इज सम फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ आफ्टर दैट. ये एक बिलीफ माना जाता है. यस, लाइक सम अलग हिंदू से फिर से लाइक दे कंसीडर दैट, दे बिलीव दैट आफ्टर दैट देयर इज लाइफ. सो ब्यूरियस इज वन सच अरेंजमेंट. ब्यूरियस इन द सेंस जहाँ पे इंसान को जलाया जाता है। सेवरल बुरिस्ट साइट हैव बीन फाउंड इन मेहरगढ़। मेहरगढ़ में ऐसे बहुत सारे चीजें पाई गई। इन वन इज द डेड पर्सन वो बरीड विद द गॉड। देखो ये जो है आपका नीचे दिया गया है, इसमें कहीं कहीं वो ऐसा भी पाया गया है कि एक इंसान के साथ गॉड को भी जलाया गया, यानी पहले के टाइम में इंसान जो मर जाता था उसके साथ ऐसा माना जाता है शायद एनिमल को भी जलाया जाता था। Then in the first instance the dead person were buried with the gods which were probably meant to serve the food in the next world। ऐसे माना जाता था कि अगर इंसान को किसी गॉड के साथ जलाया जाए तो ऐसा माना जाता है कि वो नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड में क्या बनाएंगे, शायद वो फूड सर्व करेंगे। यू कैन सी दिस वन द पोरल साइड, दिस इज द human skeleton and this is of the god. You can see this and you will see that the house in what ways in the house similar to one another. The burial manuscript identified for the skeleton of the god as well as the human. Now come to us on the page number 30, a closer look of Doalji heading, that is finding the in the map 14. Now we come towards the page number 14. First we find where is the Doraji Handi. You can see in the northeastern part of India. This is the, you can see this Daujali headache, that is in the northeastern part of India. You can see this the square box which is blue in color. First you have to see the map where this particular place is in the northern eastern part of our India. Then दिस इज द साइट ऑन हिल्स नियर द ब्रह्मपुत्र। ये वहां साइड है जहाँ पे ब्रह्मपुत्र वैली है। ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर यूज्ड टू कम्स फ्रॉम वेयर, China. In the higher classes you will come to know what is the name, what the origin started from, how much long it is. You will come to know in the higher classes. Close routes leading to into the China and Myanmar. Here the stone tools including mortars, pestle have been found. This indicate that the people were probably growing grains, यानी people probably क्या grow करते थे, grains को grow करते थे, food को prepare करते थे. Other finds include jadid, a stone that may have been brought from China and Afghanistan. ये जो stones थे कहाँ से लाए जाते थे, चाइना और अफगानिस्तान से. Also common find the tools for fossil wood. Ancient woods had been hardened into stone and pottery. Means जो पहले के टाइम के stones थे या woods थे किसके लिए यूज किया जाता था, wood जो यूज किया जाता था fossils के लिए और stone भी यूज किया जाता था कुछ कोई चीज को बनाने के लिए. तो हमने इस चैप्टर में बहुत सारी चीजें देखी. Earlier what the people used to make, how they used to know how to grow the foods, how the human settlement started, then later on how we used to call them as a tribe. Then we come to know the closer look of dying, यानी हमने ये चीज़ देखा कि जो पहले के टाइम में इंसान मरते थे तो उनको किस तरह से जलाया जाता था यानी उनको बर्न किया जाता था. देन उनको किस तरह से ग्रेवयार्ड में डाला जाता था. फिर उनके साथ किस तरह से एनिमल्स, जैसे उसमें एग्जांपल दिया है गॉड के बारे में, तो पर्टिकुलर इंसान के साथ एक गॉड को भी दफनाया जाता था या कहोगे टोम में या ग्रेवयार्ड में उनको दफनाया जाता था या फिर उनको जलाया जाता था. ये सारी चीज़ें हमें ईरान में देखने को मिलती है, हमारे इंडिया में देखने को मिलती है. ऐसा लाइक numbers of the evidence or you can say the numbers of the proof which are finding by the archaeologists or you can say the scientists that how this particular people used to live in a earlier times. So by on the basis of the evidence we come to know that they used to live in a nearby the bank of the river, they used to live in a jungle. The way of living the life is completely different like from the normal human beings. Their paintings is different, their music is different, their language is different, dressing sense is different, the food habiting like the habit of eating food is different, like the numerous of things, the numerous of ways they have like completely different. Slowly and gradually they learn how to live a life and they used to learn as they are very much experienced like the person who is very much old, they are the experienced, they are the warriors, they are the priests, they used to consider as young or you can say the energetic. If we talk about the old ladies, they are very respectful because she has the experience how to grow the fruits, how to grow the vegetables, how to protect the agriculture, how to protect the child and how to do numerous of things in a different ways at a particular place. Like a particular woman, she used to live in a house and how she used to how she used to do the work in a different ways. So these are the different things which we can learn from these people, like how the earlier people in the ancient India or in the ancient history they used to do this kind of thing. Now there is the last part of this, that is the elsewhere. It is in Turkey. Turkey you can find in your atlas where the Turkey is. It is in the Asian, Western Asian part. You can see the Turkey is one of the most famous Neolithic site. Neolithic was the particular stone is of 10,000-year old. Katal Huyang was found in Turkey. Several things were brought from great distance. There are numerous of the things were found from the great distance, like find from the Syria, Gores from the Red Sea, cells from the Mediterranean Sea, used in the settlement. Remember, there was no carts. Most of things would have been carried on the back of the pack animals, such as the cattle for the people. यानी पहले तो आपको देखना है कि टर्की कहाँ था. टर्की आप जब देखोगे तो एशिया का, आपका इंडिया जो एशिया के साउथ पार्ट में आता है, यहाँ पे आप पाओगे इस साइड में टर्की है. टर्की में आप क्या देखोगे कि पहले के जो कैटल वॉक थे वो लोग क्या करते थे, जैसे कि सीरिया नियर बाय दी टर्की ओनली, जो रेड सी से क्या लाते थे, कावरेज लाते थे, फिर मेडिटेरियन सी में से वो सेल्स लाते थे और फिर इसको यूज किया जाता था सेटलमेंट के लिए, यानी रहने के पर्पज के लिए यूज किया जाता था. सी एंड यूज इन द सेटलमेंट. रिमेंबर देयर वाज नो कार्ड्स एंड मोस्ट ऑफ थिंग वुड हैव बीन कैरियड ऑन द बैक. आपको ये चीज इसमें देखना होगा कि पहले के टाइम में कोई कार्ड्स नहीं होते थे, तो पहले के ह्यूमन बींग्स क्या करते थे, अपने पीठ के ऊपर सारी चीजें लाद के ला देते थे. तो देयर आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स लाइक व्हाट वी हैव लर्न इन द एंशिएंट टाइम्स. द अर्लियर पीपल यूज्ड टू लिव अ काइंड ऑफ, यू कैन से, इन अ एनिमल लाइफ. यानी पहले के जो टाइम इंसान थे वो पहले एनिमल्स ही थे, तो उनकी लाइफ ऐसी थी. Slowly and gradually, when their mind develops, when they learn numerous of things by their own, so they used to start implementing the numerous of things, like if you can see, they used to learn how to grow the fruits, how to cook the food, how to live in the caves. Then after that they started the human settlement. They are doing the numerous of things, how they help them, like they used, the people used to not live isolate, or you can say the alone. They used to live in a group, or you can say in the gathering form. The people used to do different kinds of work. That, like earlier, what kind of tools they made from the stone. After they used the tool, after that they used a tools which is made up of bones. Then after that we talk about, they learn how to grow different kinds of food at the different places, or you can say the crop at the different places at the particular season, at a particular time, by which they can learn that if like there is sometimes a heavy rain or the flood situation, a drought season is there, so they do not have to grow that particular seeds at a particular place or at a particular time. Why? Because if they used to grow a particular crop at a drought place, or you can say the barren land, it is going to be fulfill their needs? No. So they used to grow the particular crop at a particular place where they used to get like you can say the fertile land, excess amount of water they have, all the kind of nutrition which they get from the land. So all the things that what they do is they used to find, or you can say the search at a particular land where they find that the land should be very much good, of a very fertile land. They want water, they want all kind of things that they which get at a particular place. यानी वो एक ऐसी जगह ढूंढते थे जहाँ पे उपजाऊ जमीन हो, जहाँ पे पानी हो, और जहाँ पे उनको उनकी सुविधा के अनुसार सारी चीजें मिल जाए. जैसे वो एनिमल का भी हंट कर सके, उसको भी खा सके, और उनको फॉरेस्ट से भी सारी चीजें मिल जाए. ये सारी चीजें वो करते थे जिसको उनको किसी भी तरह की परेशानी ना हो. हमने यहाँ पे एक चीज ये भी सीखा कि इनका बहुत ही लाइफस्टाइल बहुत ही अलग था, पर धीमे धीमे करके इन्होंने अपने आप को भी डेवलप किया. जैसे हम आज के टाइम में देखते हैं कि हमें मार्केट से वेराइटीज ऑफ चीज काफी सारी इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाती है, पर पहले के टाइम के लोग हुआ सब कुछ काफी मेहनत से चीजें को उगाते थे, उसको फिर और फिर वो बड़ा होता था, पक जाता था, फिर उसको कट करते थे, फिर उसके बाद उसको कुक करते थे, फिर उसको खाते थे. फिर उसको प्रिजर्व करने के लिए वो कैसे रखते थे, एक मिट्टी के बर्तन में, या फिर किसी बैम्बो के बास्केट में, या फिर एक गड्ढा बनाकर उसमें वो लोग अपने फ्यूचर पर्पस के लिए उसको क्या करते थे. तो हमने ये सारे पॉइंट टूडेज वीडियो व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस ऑल दिस पार्ट. फर्स्ट वी discuss what we have learned in the previous video. Then in the today's video, what we have learned about the tribes, what their ancestors have done and what they are doing. Then we did a closer look living and dying in America. We come to know that earlier peoples used to buried or the burials at the particular site with the animals. According to your textbook there is a god. Then we talk about the early and the later livers, यानी कि पहले के लोग कैसे थे बाद के कैसे थे. Then next is the closure, lookout, the jail at the heading. This all the things we have included in this chapter. Thank you.